What's going on, Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Now, first things first, happy birthday to me, okay? And here is the sad 2 days ago, I was at the trampoline park, Sky Zone, with my son, and I was up in there doing the most, jumping and flipping and whatnot, like I was a little kid, and I came down on my ankle the wrong way, and now your girl got a whole ankle cast on her foot, and I'm limping, girl, I got crutches. It's real, okay? But listen, what I need to do is something to these locks, because if I'm going to be going out later on, which I am, just like to dinner and a movie, that's probably what I'm going to do. But I want to do something to my hair, so I'm about to share with you guys what I call the 50-50 fake out, okay? So we're going to get into it. I'm going to give you guys a secret and show you guys how I twerk these locks real quick without actually doing any full-blown, you know, just a quick little touch-up, something so I can look cute later on. So what I'm going to be doing is a sleek ponytail, but I'm going to show you guys the secret, okay? Like I said, it's called the 50-50 fake out, and we're going to keep it real today, okay? So the first thing you're going to need is some of these. I bought these at Walmart. I have the big ones because, you know, and they're stretchy. They're really headbands, the little black headbands, but I'm using these as ponytail holders this particular time to do the 50-50 fake out. Now, what I want you guys to know first and foremost is that y'all know I gets down with my handy dandy pipe cleaners. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the style. I'm gonna show you guys the 50-50 fake out, you hear me? So you can learn something today. If you ain't already noticed, my Stink is in the background. Say hi, Stink.
Hi.
Wait, say hi. He's playing with his block. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, go ahead and finish playing. So he's in the background and he's doing his thing, and mommy is doing her thing, okay? What I'm gonna do basically is all the hair in the middle of my head, I'm going to put into the ponytail. See? All around the sides. See? All around the sides. Okay? Some of y'all might already know about this. Boom. So I got that. Remember Friday? Remember Friday, the movie Friday, and the girl came out, she was like, hey Craig, what you gonna do for me? Y'all remember that? And she just pulled her head to the side like, hey Craig. Anyway, I'm geeking. So y'all can see, I got the perimeter out, I got the ponytail. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my headband and I'm going to like double it and pretty much wrap it around the ponytail that I have here. Now, what this is going to do, as you see, I didn't put any hair there. I put a pipe cleaner on there to hold the ponytail, and I also put the scrunchy thing, the little headband scrunchie around the ponytail, because what I'm going to do is, as I maintenance my hair, right, I'm going to be putting it underneath the ponytail, but you'll guys see in a minute. This is the 50-50 fake out, okay? And the reason that I call it the 50-50 fake out is because 50% of your hair is maintenance and 50% is not, okay? Have my towel here and gonna go ahead and spray my hair with some water. So this is the walkthrough.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her.
Bad man, me, I come in, me, I wanna take her. Girls, them I come, them I want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them are watching. They are pretty up on them. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
I'm basically done all of my maintenance. As you can see, it's gonna wrap it around like that. And then I am going to tuck it under the hair. Literally tuck it under the hair that I pulled out to wrap around the ponytail. And just do it like that. Now you can see I have a lock wrapped around there. You guys can see. Okay? And that is the ponytail, okay? I'm trying to tell you guys, this is the perfect trick to do when you just don't feel like doing your hair and doing a lot, okay? But you want to be crispy. And this particular day, I couldn't even film a video for you guys showing you guys some fabulousness because my ankle is sprained really bad. So I have to sit down, and this is what I've done to my hair for today, my birthday. I'm going to hang out later with some friends and loved ones, so I'm going to do that. And now, you know, I'm going to do my little makeup, okay? And you know, my hair doesn't look like, girl, you couldn't even. So I believe that is all I have for this video today. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl, okay? Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you guys think about this quick tip, quick trick. Yeah, because this is the secret, and I have unveiled it to the world. Let me know what y'all think. I appreciate y'all watching and rocking with me. It's your girl Kenyatta here.